If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know must split them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and I think I need to sneeze, bro. I guess that. Bless you. Hachu. Hachu. Bless you. Gang. So first in the face, I hear the voice, you don't know say a KOGENCY. But the KOGENCY Rocks channel. And today, bro, we're back, man. Listen. I recorded this from time ago, and I lost the video, bro. I completely edited it, put it like it was ready, bro. And I was doing like a batch delete, and I ended up clicking it and ended up deleting it as well. So we're here, bro. And one thing too, when I was looking for it, I realized, bro, this shit like what went viral, bro. Like niggas made videos on this shit with like 1 million views and stuff. Like taking it serious, like, oh, can he be too honest? Like when I was watching it, because I know Castillo, you know, I'm taking it as like a joke. I'm not really taking much things serious. Fam, people have been making videos. I'm like, what? No, man. I need to get back on my shit then. Well, yeah. I need to re-record it because I need, hey, let me see if I can get a video on 1 million views too, bro. You know what I'm saying? Or maybe at least a little 10K, bro. None of my videos have ever hit 10K before, you know what I'm saying? So, I don't know. It might not be this one, but definitely, I did not know that this shit went viral. No cap, I really didn't know. But yo, I just want to jump into it. I don't remember much. I remember that she was like, they talk about, you know, him having 16 things on the go and how he's a womanizer and the fat things and the thick things. Yeah, that's all I remember. So, I don't want to waste any time. Well, more time that I've already wasted. Hit that like... My God, if I burp one more time, hit that like or dislike button and jump in the comments, reply to all the comments, and let's go, gang.
So back in the day, yeah, let's say I've seen like a few things, I had a few things on rotation.
Yeah, I remember this, I remember this part.
I see one in the morning. Yeah. So like, let's say not in the morning, like 12 o'clock, lunchtime.
12 o'clock.
Yeah? She come through.
Lunchtime.
Yeah. Then she go home around 5 o'clock. I got my next thing.
5 hours.
5 o'clock one would leave around 9.
Yeah, 4 hours.
And then I get my next thing come through around 12.
Aye, 3 hours.
Disgusting.
Around 12, yeah. And then in the morning, I'd say like, yo, babes, I got to go work. Them times I didn't even have a fucking job, bruv.
Hey, I like the outfit in this one.
Around 12, yeah. And then in the morning, I'd say like,
oh my God, look at those legs. Oh man, double S.
Yo, babes, I got to go work. Them times I didn't even have a fucking job, bruv.
Grilling, we're chilling. What you willing? Aye.
DMs, dating apps. I don't have.
Aye, Cheyenne, I know this man.
Big man thing, yes, Castillo,
Big man
bruv,
thing,
aka
yeah.
the sniper, aka the main event, bruv. Big man thing, yeah, I seen a few people in the
Sniper out now on all platforms.
comments asking for me to come, bruv. So man's come through, bruv. You get me? I'm gonna be grilling her. She ain't gonna be grilling me. You get me, bruv? Nah, bruv. I don't get worried about nothing. You get me? There's nothing she could ask me. There's nothing she could ask me that I ain't heard before. Caught cheating man. Too many times to get stuff out here, bruv.
Are you looking for?
Fam, that is a weird way to preface anything, fam. Yeah, man, I got caught cheating bare times, man. There's nothing she can say. What? Like, how does he even correlate? Like, I kind of get it, but it's just, man, how that's the first thing the man go for, you know, proves that he's ready. Like, yeah, man, I've been cheating on girls in the past, man. I'm ready for this date. Like, what? I don't get it.
A relationship then?
Sniper out now on the digital platforms,
Ding, let's get this date started, man. Alright, she's looking so nice, you know. Lovely. Castillo with the red.
Hello.
So
No, nice to meet
red.
you. Hey, don't know. You look nice.
Thank you. Have you cheers?
Hey,
thank you, Shun. Aye, from. Aye. Okay. So I'm remembering. It's coming back to me. Come back to me.
Stillo, what's your name?
Cheyenne.
Yo, the mixed race girl name's there. It's nice.
Thank you.
Yo, she's kind of crisp still. You get me? Nice little light skin.
Fam, the man is unapologetically just a hood. Yeah, the mixed race girl name. That's still like, what?
This girl name's there. It's nice.
Thank you.
Yo, she's kind of crisp still.
And then she said thank you like it's a compliment.
Yeah, nice little light skin thing, curly hair. You get me? She's a slim thing, you get me?
Yeah.
But 1, 2, 3 stone, it's perfect.
Fam, I wouldn't say Shine is a slim thing. She is definitely not like thick, like super thick, but like she's not slim. Like she's average, I would say. You know what I'm saying? She's like, if she gain 10 or 20 in, you know what I'm saying, the right or wrong places, she either might be thick or fat. You know what I mean? But Castillo, that just shows the amount of BBW love that this guy has, fam. The man want 200 pounds minimum. For him to call Cheyenne a maga girl, bro, he has to want 200 pounds minimum.
Perfect, bruv, but I could feed her, you get me?
Here then.
What in the ghetto is going on?
Exactly, I just want to
Took
say.
you a while to get here. Where have you been?
Fucking.
What?
It wasn't pussy this morning and last night.
Hey,
No lie.
no lie.
You had sex with someone and came straight here.
Yeah,
What do you
yeah.
think?
Yeah, of course. Don't be looking at your fresh pussy on my breath.
That's rude, you know.
We ain't there yet, you get me? We're not
We're
on that
not
level
there
yet.
yet, but what about the woman? Did you actually?
Yeah, for
Yeah,
real.
yeah,
Bother you.
Promise me a bit.
Why though?
Fam, where's my hat gone? The entire time, they're laughing. Oh my days. Oh my god. Bro, I would be, you see, like when people, the people that went viral for this, when they heard that, they're like, oh, he did that? Bro, I'm laughing my ass off, bruv. Like, I swear down. Like, bro, how do you not laugh at that, fam? I swear to you, bro. How?
You could have taken 1, 2 willies last night, you get me? It's not my
Yeah, you
business.
don't
This
know.
is what I'm saying. This is why it's scary, and this is why I don't like dating, because I just feel like everyone's just moving mad.
Don't worry though, I'm fully drained right now, so you know it's a genuine thing right now. I'm actually trying to get to know you. You get
Yeah,
me?
man,
Why
yeah.
you ain't
That's how you know it's a real thing, bro. Hey, because if I'm fully drained and I'm still talking to you, babes, that's how you know I fuck with you heavy, man. Cause hey, once my balls are empty, bro, I don't wanna hear no shit, man. Once you start annoying me, go, man. All I'm looking at is the space under here. Like, what is that ass cheek looking like? Anyway, bro.
Huh?
Why
Because it's like the window to the soul, innit? You ain't ready for
Yeah,
that yet.
I'm ready
Hey.
though.
You ain't ready yet.
I'm not. You don't think I'm ready?
Ain't
Nah,
yet,
nah,
man.
nah, not yet.
Do you underestimate me?
Well, nah, no underestimation.
I don't know if you're confident though, because I feel like you're hiding.
Nah,
Why?
I'm here though.
Are you insecure?
Nah, I'm very confident.
You sure?
Do you know what I
Yeah.
noticed here? I was in the bathroom, you was changing there. You had some knickers on the floor, I saw a skid mark in there. You're moving mad. You're moving mad.
That's funny. I'm not wearing knickers.
So you just got your pussy
Nah.
just out here like
There's
wearing
no
jeans.
knickers in there. Yeah, free. Why not?
How come?
Why not?
Because what if like you bend down and bare people can see your ass crack in that?
There's a classy way to bend down. You bend down and you do like that.
Hey,
Mm,
bro.
true,
Like
true.
when
I wanted her to get up fully right there. You see that little power? She get up. Do it again,
People can see
man.
your ass crack in
I
that.
do it again,
There's a
man. Do it
classy way to
again, do it
bend down,
again. Oh, I can't manage. I can't manage. Oh my god, I can't do it, man. Bro, my heart is going mad. But you bro, fam, even my heart wants to see. My heart is leaning to the side, trying to see under the thing, blood. I said,
when you do like that. You
Mm,
know,
true,
Or
true.
like when you get out of the car, you do the.
Ah, I
you know,
see.
Like
Do
a
you know what?
lady. Like, so tell me about yourself.
I do events, I do music, I do all kinds of things.
Yeah.
Fair things, social media, big man thing, follow me on the gram if you
big
ain't.
man thing.
Yeah.
What'd you do? Would you ever do OnlyFans?
No.
Never.
No, I never say never, because
Yeah.
you never know like your life circumstance.
What are you trying to say, life
Person-
circumstance? Like you got to be a struggly bitch or something?
I know women that, you know, secure the bag and make a lot of money on it. Just for
Don't
me
know.
personally, I think the direction that people think OnlyFans is like sexual content, it's giving it a bad name, if that makes sense.
Yeah, I get you.
What about
Yeah, but it
You got
is
one?
though.
I don't
It
need
is
OnlyFans.
sexual
I would do OnlyFans, you know. I'm
Yeah?
not gonna lie to you. Like I feel like I made bare sex tapes and that. I feel like people need to see that shit.
Oh, really?
You know the ones where you just know you're good at some shit,
Are you
and then
sure
other
though?
people got to see that.
How do you know you're good?
I can bust on command.
Really?
Once I
So
Like,
you
you're
can be
talk-
quick.
Nah, like I bust on command. Like I'm telling you, I can be for 3 hours. If the thing says ready to come, I come. You got to.
That is the maddest thing I've ever heard, bro. Not ever, but like on command. Like I've had my times where I've been like, you know, working, and then you know she's like, no, don't do it, and I was like, and then I try a little, but most 9 times out of 10, bro, once I feel that feeling, bro, it's gonna, I swear down, bro. You can't stop that. You can't stop me. I don't have no stop sign or no stop light, bro. Once I see a green light, I'm going.
Control your shit. You get me? Man's oosic out there. You get
Man's
me?
oosic.
Different level. Do
And that's the problem, because the male ego will have you thinking you're good in bed and
you know how I
performance
know?
is dead.
Because my willy drives girl crazy. They always come back.
So you got toxic dick then.
Big man thing.
Big
That's the one
man
you need right there. Man. You
thing.
got girl.
Aye.
They'll pay your rent for that dick.
Yeah,
Really?
man.
Big
They
man
wouldn't pay your
thing.
rent.
Yeah, real talk. I
Really?
had girl paying
Sugar
my
mama
rent
flex?
before. No, I don't know sugar mama things. Things my age.
Paying your rent.
Big man thing. This
Big
dick will
man
have your
thing.
girl taking out loans. Yeah, putting things in people's names, bruv, it's mad. How much you weigh?
Bro, I won't get there, bro. How do I get that? How do I? You know what I'm saying? I need to know, man. How do I get my rent paid? How do I get, you know what I'm saying, a girl them to cook for me? How do I, you know what I'm saying? How do I get these things, man? Cause boy, I ain't gonna lie, fam. Working. That shit's hard, bro. I ain't trying to do that shit, man. You know what I'm saying? Man, I'm trying to, yeah, from the last episode, yeah, I'm trying to be the stay-at-home husband, man. No cap.
Think.
I don't know, you know.
Like you're a skinny thing, innit? So like literally your big things, like when you get them on the floor, lie down flat like that, yeah, you get the legs, stretch it all the way back, yeah? And you're just pressing up, just got the just driving in, drilling it.
Yeah,
Easy way to make a girl squat. Or you do the next thing, you go on top of her, put her feet right there while you're on top of her, while you're f***ing, you get your thumb, rub on the quick way for her to bust.
Joe, sometimes when it's so
Yeah.
bad, you will like fake it so it ends.
Hey, he's giving real pointers, you know. Make sure you write that down.
Now you could feel it, you hear the thing, you hear the,
I was like,
you know about that little suction thing, innit? See, that's why you're smiling, no like, you know what I'm saying?
That's
That's why you're
funny.
smiling. Done now, see, toast to that, done now. Get me?
Dankeschön. See, she knows, man. It's like she won't vex because, like, damn, he's so, you know what I'm saying, out here. But it's like, she knows that if he got it, she would have gotten the, you know what I'm saying? Remember from the Little Man episode, she would have got the, hey, listen, man. Bro, that hurt, fam. Look at my hand. It's getting red. That hurt. Ow. Ow.
So like, what do you actually look for in a woman then?
Number one, I'm
Bunda.
not gonna lie, I'm an appearance person first. You've got to
Bunda.
look the part. Body, face, back
Body,
off,
body,
all of that,
body,
yeah?
back
I need to
off.
be like, wow, every time I look at you.
Yeah.
Next thing is, you got to be secure within yourself and be able to be by yourself. Love your own company. You
Yeah.
don't need bare people around you. You don't need to be going out. You don't need no validation to feel good. You're good in your
Yeah,
own
man.
company. I like that shit.
Yes, yes, man. All that IG stuff posting and hey, listen, man. I don't get people nowadays and this need for, no, let me not say I don't get it. But like, surely when people get to a certain age, they kind of like stop wanting validation from other people, bro. Like, surely people just going to grow out of this shit, man. Because I'm seeing some people older than me, bro, just doing some shit for the gram. I'm like, bro, I know you in real life, bro. You're not like that, bro. Stop.
Maddest thing you've done in bed?
There was this thing on my Facebook. I went to like a yardie rave. She recognized me, came up to me. We just started lip-syncing right there in the rave, innit? And then after that, I'm
What's
not
that
sure who this
yardie
guy was.
rave?
I think this must have been her baby father or something, innit? But she was with her brethren. I got in the car, her baby father was driving, her brethren got in the front, and me and her were sitting in the back. He drove us to her yard, and he left because they're having an argument, yeah? So me and her
Wow.
the same night, but while we was her brethren was in the corner, camera just filming, bruv.
What?
Real talk.
Wait, so he knew?
You know, I don't know what them people was doing, bruv, but it was mad.
Ah, that
That
was
the other way
mad.
around. That would be a
Revenge porn,
situation.
exactly.
That's messed up.
Yeah, I feel like I was sexually abused, bruv. It's a bit
Yeah,
mad.
bro.
You feel sexually abused?
Yeah, because there was film.
Yeah, man, a lot of the man them get sexually abused and just don't say anything about it, you know, that because it's like we're kind of programmed not to. Because we're like, yo, you're supposed to glad, say the girl, you're supposed to be glad that she's, I'm supposed to be glad. What if I didn't want it, bro? Should I still be glad? Like, nah, fam. Man, them need to speak up, bro, because a lot of us go through a lot of shit, bro.
Filming me, bro. They didn't have my consent. Big man thing, yeah, when I got filmed, it wasn't a thing. But man, them, don't be filming gal and that, bruv. You
Yeah,
get me,
man.
bruv. You end up on a register, bruv.
Yeah,
I think
bruv.
they're if R. Kelly's eating pot noodle, bruv. Don't do it.
Do women ever say any stories about you?
Nah, never, bruv. I'm not a rapist, bruv. That's a bit mad.
I'm glad that you know what consent is.
You got
So-
to, you know, like literally some man is mad persistent with it, bruv.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got to relax,
So you
bruv.
can read the room.
Yeah, big man.
Bro, you know what I'm saying? Once I hear no one time, bro, I don't even care if it was a joke. You said no, I nigga. Alright, nigga. Alright, babes. Not no nigga. Alright, babes. You said no, yeah? Alright, man. I'm gone, man. And then once they realize that I'm gone, they be like, no, I was just playing. Yeah, man. Yeah, keep that energy, man. Let me get inside that. Alright, Cheyenne. Get me on a date, man.
So you got to read the room. You're
You
trying to end up like R.
always-
Kelly, bruv. Now he's in jail. Got to give up his barty, bruv.
It's
Say
Barty.
about this like violation thing. But as women, this would be very traumatic for us.
No, I'm not traumatized by it. I'm
That's
kind
what I
of
mean,
glad.
like,
My
it's
work,
just
my work
standards.
was amazing though, so it's not traumatizing. It's just the
What's
fact that
about
they
work
filmed
was
that shit. I
amazing?
kind of want them to send that back.
Why do you feel it's a good video? I want to see how I can improve.
Yeah, man.
low key, because you know them ones there. Like she was like a thick thing as well, innit? So like I was putting in some good work.
Really. So do
get
you like
me?
people watching you?
So if we're filming, then yeah. But I don't want nobody watching me. Like if I was like some of these gal and that, I wouldn't want them in the corner of the room. Like,
Yeah, that's
pointing for his
weird,
dick and
man.
that would weird me out.
Yeah.
Do you like people to watch
Yeah, that cuckold shit is very weird, bro. Very
you?
weird.
No.
You don't like performing? So you never
She's
filmed your
lying.
thing? I know you filmed your
Lies,
thing.
lies.
I know you filmed your thing. Never.
Lies.
You know you filmed your
Yeah,
thing,
you know
man.
you
You know
filmed
you
your
filmed your
thing,
thing.
man.
You're pretty. I know you filmed your thing.
I don't know.
I say you're drinking the drink. That's your little key right there, innit? Anytime I say some shit, you drink it. I like that.
So why should Owa say she record her thing, bro? Like nobody's gonna like go on your phone and like, well, no, I'll probably want to see what she recorded, but I wouldn't go in her phone though. You know what I'm saying? It's just maybe if she posted it, I would probably screen record it. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I don't know. Hey, she's peng, man.
Facebook, something must have hollered at me on there. I met up with her. I went to see her. She drove. I don't know where the fuck she lived. It was so deep in north. I don't know where the fuck it was. It's like Pinner, bruv. Those out of the ends, hills have eyes
Pinner.
places, bruv. So we went to her yard.
Fam, I've never even heard of that. Man said pinner.
And as soon as we finished, she started smoking crack, bruv.
What?
Yeah, she started smoking crack,
So you slept with crackhead.
basically.
Oh, wow. So Castillo has been with a bitch said, that is mad. That is crazy. You see why you just can't be out there just shagging? Dog, you end up fucking a crackhead, dog. It's a mad story, but like, alright, bro. Suppose she give you. Alright, never mind.
And then after that, I just wanted to go to my yard, bruv. I made up a lie. I said my mum was cooking dinner, bruv. I gotta get home fast. And when she was driving home, bruv, she was swerving in the road like, oh my God, you're so beautiful. I was like, bitch, you are a
Bitch,
crackhead, bruv. Take
you
me
are a
home.
crackhead,
Yeah,
bruv.
a crackhead. Like, I didn't know she was a crackhead at the time, but the pussy was good, you get me? But you look like you're like bad, man.
Alright.
You look like you're like a man to just grab you by the throat and just mash up your thing. I'm not gonna
Mash
lie.
up the thing. Yeah, that's what she want,
How the
man.
ends-
Yeah,
in the
you
ends
see
and
that.
stuff.
You see that reaction. Hey, they probably edit it like that for make it, seem like that. But she does, though. I promise you.
Essex.
Yeah, you like the bad man, innit?
Okay.
I can tell you like a
man.
bad man.
Right, do you want me to like a bad man?
I feel like you do. I'll fuck you up, though. I'd mash you up.
I'd mash
But
you up.
I just need to know what your level is.
I swear all we're talking about is sex. Like sex, 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 sex.
So you never had a night where you f somebody bareback? I know you f bareback.
Fam, she literally just said, all we talk about is sex, 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 sex. And then the next clip, so you never fuck about bareback. Dog, bro. How did I not upload this last time? This is amazing, dog. Castillo is amazing.
Sex, sex, sex.
So you never had a night where you f somebody bareback? I know you f
If
bareback
it's my
before.
man,
You ever got STI before? So you never had chlamydia?
no.
I caught it like 4 times in the past. I was just
Whoa.
f***ing too many gal.
The amount of times he has sex, I'm not surprised. He's had chlamydia.
16 gal, just juggling them around, innit? Like I had things from Birmingham, things from like east, north, west, all them things there. And I was just moving
Bro.
mad. But I had like about 5 proper things and some other ones that I was just f***ing in it.
I feel like you've gone ego, so you would want me to come.
So you
Or do you not care about a woman's orgasm?
no, you gotta go first all the
See?
time. You gotta bust first all the
Yeah,
time, otherwise
yeah.
I ain't doing my shit properly.
Yeah.
That's
Used
mad.
to that.
And
See,
plus,
a man that actually lets a woman come
we'll
first.
talk. Do you
Alright. See, I ain't really on all of that. You ain't got alright, fam. You know long girls take to bus, bro. Hey, that's long, fam. Alright, sometimes I don't have the time for it, man. Sometimes I just wanna get in and out, bro. Quick thing.
know why? Yeah, because I need them repeat customers. You get me? I need you
Just the
to.
last customer.
I need them repeat customers because I need you to get this dick so good. You go tell your brethren. So then when this shit f***s up, I can get one of your brethren.
You see that? Like that was so. I was like, wait, should I laugh? Like, that seems serious, bro. That seems like it. You know, when we're reacting to songs, the man them reach a level of violence where I can't enjoy the music anymore. Yeah, Castillo reach a level of realness where I'm like, alright, I can't laugh anymore, bro. Like that kind of fucked up still. Like like the man is planning to fuck up our whole friendship circle, dog, just cause he wants some non. Like that's mad. That's mad.
Do you suffer with mental health?
Depression and that. I feel
yeah.
like, to be fair,
Bro,
I've been-
she's always asking people about their mental health. Shine, I like that still. You know what I'm saying? Last episode, the little man, I mean, maybe I read into it wrong. Maybe you're just a very caring person, and I need to appreciate that. Yeah, let me do that.
depressed for a long time. It's social media that saved my life. Yeah, I was going for a shit time. Yeah, I made one social media video, went viral. That should change my life.
Really?
But to be fair, the cure to depression is to figuring out the root of it. My root was being broke.
Yeah.
I figured out the root of it, and then that's it. But along the way, I had to learn a lot of shit about myself.
What did you learn about yourself?
You learn your resilience, you learn how strong you are, you learn how to stretch peas, you learn to be shitted on and be able to come back from that. You know how to fall down 7 times and stand up 8 times. You learn
Yeah.
all of that. You get me? You learn
Yeah.
that rejection, all of that shit is nothing. Rejection is
Nothing.
normal. Failing is normal.
Yeah, it
Do you know what I'm
is.
trying to say? Like, I gotta give a shout out to the people, which is like
Normal.
followers on Instagram. People say that don't mean nothing, but for me, them people changed my life.
Bro, you see you 2,200 odd people. You know what I'm saying? Even though I know majority of y'all don't actually come back to watch video. Hey, you see all my trigonometry niggas? You see if you're not even commenting but you leave a like. You see if you even leave a dislike. All my guys that leave all the likes, all the comments, bro. Even if it's one comment, bro, thank you. I appreciate that. And you see, because I reply and I'll give you 100 heart emojis, because, bro, you never have to do it. You understand? You didn't have to like. You didn't have to. First of all, you didn't have to click the video. 1. You didn't have to watch the video all the way through. 2. You didn't have to click the like button. And you didn't have to comment. You know what I'm saying? But, like, for anybody who do all 4, bro, I wish I was in a position where I could have, like, you know, give back and, like, be like, thank you guys for, you know what I'm saying? But trust me, man. Trust me, we're going up still. We're getting more and more. So keep doing it, keep going. But, like, yo, everybody who has liked a video before, commented on a video before, like, thank you very much. I appreciate that. And I love you. Look at me. Look at me. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. And I love you. Okay? Mwah. Mwah. Hey, if you're a man, just swipe that to the side, man. But catch a second one. Hey! Don't do that.
Life, like 100%. Them people lifted me out of all that shit. You get me? Because if they didn't help me, I'd be on a mad thing. Because I was
Mad
this close
thing.
to murking people, bruv. I used to sit on night buses all day. I'd sit on night buses in the night so I wouldn't go insane. To keep my peace of mind.
keep your peace of
Do you know what I'm trying to say?
Wow.
And like, if anybody owed me money or nothing, I would probably do the worst to you. Yeah, I'm trying to say, a few times I try to set people up just because they try to do something bad to me. It's not a joke thing. This depression thing, it'll make you find depths of yourselves that you've never ever find in your life. You know what I'm trying to say? And when you come out from that though, you become a better person. There's nothing wrong with being in the shit, bruv.
Yeah.
Everybody got to lose their mind once. Because when you find yourself, it's a madness, bruv. It's
Madness.
beautiful. You get me? That's why I'm happy all the time now, bruv. Life is beautiful.
I like that. Cheers to
Yeah,
you.
man.
Done now.
Thank you, Shem. Yeah, you know, every episode they get that nugget of realness. You know what I'm saying? That part where you just have to say, yeah, man, real shit, real shit.
So how many people have you
Just-
slept
just-
with?
No.
I don't know.
Over
You see with the Liquor Man counting or Liquor Man as an idea of the number. Castillo has no clue. So if Liquor Man is at 300, how much is Castillo at, bro?
Sniper out now on all digital platforms. I think she looks like a 15 to 20 man kind of girl.
Yeah.
I think she's about 15 to 20 man. You get me? About she said 3 relationships. You get me? 1, 2 holidays, bruv. The willies pile up, bruv. You do some addition, subtracted. Next thing you're at 20, bruv. You
Yeah.
get me? That's how it is.
It's
so
mad.
back in the day, yeah. Let's say I've seen like a few things. I had a
Yeah,
few
here's
things
the
on
part.
rotation,
Here we
yeah.
go. Here
What
we
I
go.
do, I'd see one in the morning. Yeah.
Yeah.
So like, let's say not the morning, like 12 o'clock, lunchtime. Yeah.
Lunchtime.
She come through.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then she go home around 5 o'clock. I got my
5
next
o'clock
thing.
working.
5 o'clock one would leave around 9.
Yeah, 9, bedtime.
And then I get my next thing come through around 12.
Yeah,
No,
midnight.
You're actually disgusting.
Around 12, yeah.
Midnight
And in the
snack.
morning, I'd say like, yo, babes,
I pause, man. No midnight snap.
I got to go work. Them times I don't even have a fucking job, bruv. You get me? But I'd say, yo, babes,
Early
I got to
morning.
go work. Yeah, I put on my clothes, everything like I'm going work. Yeah.
Why don't you just say, can you leave?
Because I'm not a horrible bastard, bruv. That's terrible. How could I just tell them to leave like that? That's mad. Nah, the only time like, you gotta go is if like you're
Man said, I'm not a horrible bastard, yet still is juggling 10 gal one time and trying to fuck everyone in your friend group. But I'm not a horrible bastard, man. How can I tell her to leave? But I want to fuck all her friends, though. That's mad.
crazy bitch, bruv. If you're a crazy bitch, you gotta leave my house. I remember
Yeah.
one time I see a girl, it's like, we must have beat, fell asleep, 4 o'clock in the morning. She woke up, said she want pizza.
Because she asked to do something normal.
4 in the morning,
I'd be
bruv.
hungry, worked up an
There's no
appetite.
pizza shops open at that time. The only people out is crackheads, bruv.
So you don't cater to women's needs other than just sexually?
Not all
You
the
just-
time. You gotta
just
cater to a
sexually.
woman's needs.
Do you want love? Or is
Snipe
that-
out now on all digital platforms, bruv. It's the only reason I started getting bare pussy, yeah, is because I was fat in school. Like about 14, 15, I was like 16, 17 stone. I got no pussy, bruv. Couldn't even see my willy, it was mad. The maddest
mad.
thing, you'd never believe this if I told you. I lost my virginity at 20. I must have had like a long-time girlfriend.
Bro! Imagine me last year losing my thing. Nah, man. As in, like, nah, bro. Just me, no. But, like, if anybody has lost their virginity, like, when they're young, I won't say put it in the comments, you know, if you want to, but, like, maybe DM me or something and just let me know, like, how that end up happened, dog, because it's, like, throughout all your teenage years, like, unless you're, like, you grew up in a religious household, That's the only way. Or you were fat like Castillo or something, dog. But like regular people, bro, like in your teenage, you just kiss up a girl and then start feel things and then do things. You know what I mean? Like it's not like a big thing, you know?
It's my first. Basically, was together for like a year. I was so good. I was so like loyal, all of that, yeah. But I swear down, I just be online, bro, just seeing bare different things. I just be seeing big back-off fights and all of that. I was like, yo, I need to get some of that.
You see what I mean, bros? Looking online, looking online make you think about what you don't have instead of what you do have.
Bruv. So I literally broke up with her after a year. And then the day after I broke up with her, I started some next thing from WILDIN.
Why have you got gold teeth?
Because my teeth are f***ed up, bruv. And my real teeth, I only got baby teeth. I was raised in the Caribbean, I didn't go to no dentist or nothing. Mad poor, bruv. I steal people's toys, do bare shit. By the time I come back up here, my teeth was just f***ed. When I got some pee, I was just like, let me get these top ones in gold. And then I just thought, let me go do these bottom ones in gold.
Yeah, no, just...
Yeah, but that's the reason.
What does it taste like?
Girls say it just tastes like metal.
Metal.
Yeah, just metal. If I didn't have them right now, bruv, you'd be like, yo, my teeth is on some f***ing Nightmare on Elm Street thing, bruv. It's mad.
What's your thoughts on like toxic masculinity?
What the fuck is that? Big man saying, I don't even know what that hyper masculinity thing is, bruv. But shout out to my LGBTQ people, bruv. You get me?
Men being able to be...
Bro, that's two totally different things, bro. Toxic masculinity and the LMNOP community, bro. They're two totally different people, bro. No joke. You hear what I said? LMNOP community.
Emotional,
Yeah.
like just very self-aware. Like if you were upset, like what is your outlet?
I feel like women say they want a man that's all sensitive and all that stuff, yeah? And then when he shows you that, you'll think he's a pussy, yo.
No, do you know what? It's about balance because it's like, don't get me wrong, if my man's like crying too much, like listen, I want my man to be able to, if he's upset, we get upset, we find out, like we get a solution, done, don't keep crying about the same solution. So that would annoy me. It's just about knowing that you can open up.
So let me ask you a question, yeah? You're at a rave, yeah? You're at a rave with your man,
Yeah.
Some random guy comes by you, like 6'5", AJ looking, yeah? He slaps your batty, yeah? Your man tries to hype up and he's like, bruv, shut your mouth, bruv. Yeah, then he slapped the shit out of your man don't do nothing. Then you go home and you're like, babes, why don't you do anything? He's like, oh, babes, I didn't want to get hurt, what would you say to him then?
When we have these conversations, it's like, oh, just because a man cries doesn't make him a pussy. Or
But what would you think? Would you still give him some pussy after that?
Yeah.
No.
See, when he's behind you, shit up and he's like, whose pussy is this? Whose pussy? You're gonna be like, it's yours, babes.
Yeah, it's still
after you just saw man got slapped out.
Yeah, but the thing is though, like men have issues within themselves, like a man, like the toxic masculinity, that's your own issue, because that's an issue that men need to work on. I can only work on an issue with my man, if that makes sense.
Yeah,
because I know
understand.
like the man reacting like that is toxic and he has his own trauma.
The big man thing, moral of the story is, man, them don't get slapped in front of your gal, but it's your best friend. Don't do it.
What?
They never.
I did not know that was a moral of the story. Like, how my best friend reaching this, bro? I ain't even heard about that. I was just about to say, yo, honestly, what would I do if I was with my girl and somebody smacked her ass, bro? I would have to fight him, dog, because no, you're disrespecting me. Because he saw me with her, bro. He saw me holding her hand, or he saw me stand up beside her. And so, yeah, so now I have to fight you, dog. Yeah, you see what? I just don't like going outside, dog. I just don't like people, man. I really don't like people.
Cry in front of your gal.
No,
Man,
unsay that.
This is why there's such a stigma around men showing emotions.
No,
Don't
bro.
say that. Like,
I'm
you
saying,
can't
man,
say that.
them
You have a big platform and you can't say
I know,
don't
man,
cry.
them don't cry in front of your gal. Don't do that. It's wrong.
I think if you want a normal, functioning, healthy relationship, you need to be able to cry. You need to be able to open up.
You got really pretty eyes.
I like the way you
that.
just like...
Big man thing, and I like the earrings as well. I love
you
hoop
deflecting
earrings.
that?
I'm not gonna lie, you know, bruv. She's chatting bare shit, so I just zoned out for a bit. I like that.
Aye, one thing about man them from the urban communities, you know, bro. Man them just gonna keep it straight up no matter what, bro. Like, yeah, babes, like I like you, but just trying bare shit right now, fam. Like, change the topic, man. God damn.
But still, I do believe you like bad man though.
You see, like, how that come in?
So, like, with your social media platform, do you find that you have some sort of responsibility for, like, what you put out?
There's certain men that ask me, and certain women that ask me for relationship advice.
Yeah.
And to me, it's a simple answer.
Fam, who is asking Castillo for relationship advice, fam? If you're asking Castillo for relationship advice, then ask me, bro. I can tell you more about relationship than Castillo, bro. Castillo don't know nothing about relationship. Castillo know about G-in and B-in, bro. Man don't know about no love.
Ask me, and certain women that ask me for relationship advice. And to me, it's a simple answer. But then there's some people, they're going through some real shit. So them people
Real,
there,
man.
I got a responsibility to, because I know what it's like. Be through some hard times in it. So like, my thing is this, yeah? It's a responsibility in the sense of like, I always think about people's mental health and what they're going through before I ever take the piss out of them, yeah? But if it's on some like, you're my youth's role model thing, bruv. Fuck you and your youth, bruv, I don't care. You get me? I ain't no role model to nobody. In terms of people and helping them, 100%. Because like I said, them people saved my life. Them people got me out nothing. Bruv, I had no money, universal credit, all of that run out. Nothing.
Run out,
yeah?
done out.
Then literally I'll be like, yo, who needs promotion? Da-da-da-da. Somebody send me a 500 right there. Saved my whole life for the month. I definitely owe them people. They would never know how much I owe them. Like that's why I never really will ever shit on social media thing, because like it saved my life. Because honestly speaking, if I didn't have that, I'd definitely be in jail. 100%.
100%. 100. Aye, bro. 100, man. Niggas with just free time, nothing to do. No. What you call that? No goal, no end goal, no drive. They have energy to do stuff, but they have no end goal to go anywhere to do. You know what I'm saying? Man, I'm just gonna end up doing bad shit, bro.
Do you eat pussy?
Yeah, I love to eat pussy.
Do you?
Like real talk.
Bro, again, like in the last video, there's certain topics that as, you know what I'm saying, a Jamaican, I just omit myself from the conversation. So I let these guys talk, but I ain't gonna say nothing.
Yeah, I love to eat pussy.
Finally, someone actually eats pussy.
Like, do you know what it is? It's like if you've liked a woman for a long time, like if she's like your crush. Like there's women that like I've crushed hard on social media, yeah, Facebook, Instagram.
And I've never ever said I want to nyam your non. I've liked, I've lusted, I've saved, I've beat my meat. I've done all of that to girls that you know what I'm saying are bad. But I've never had the, you know what I'm saying? But hey.
Instagram, all that. Then I got with them, and I swear down, as soon as we got together, bruv, as soon as
I'm not saying it's right or wrong or bad or good, you know. I'm just saying, you know what I'm saying? I'm just saying.
Instagram, all that. Then I got with them, and I swear down, as soon as we got together, bruv, as soon as like it got to that moment, yeah, I swear down, bruv, man, just parted that like Moses, bruv, face deep, bruv. I'm talking about face deep. I'm talking about yo. I'm talking about straight in there, bruv. I became an animal. I became a different man. Bro, there ain't nothing wrong with eating some pussy, bruv. There's nothing wrong with some good, clean naan bread. You get me? Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm telling
You're
you.
good at it.
Real talk.
What's your technique?
Bruv, facing it, tongue it, suck the. You get me? Switch the tongue all the way around it, bruv. You get me? All the juices and all that shit, bruv. It's like a passion fruit. I love that shit.
It's the right technique still. It's all right. Give him some ratings there. Other than sex.
Bro, like, dog, I really think is like a culture thing, you know. Because even though you have some yard man over in England where feel the same way I feel and be like, all right, let's just not talk about it. But like, no, just that whole thing, man. It was just like when they go and change the topic, bro. Like, god damn, like the man I talk about, yeah, tongue fuck it and switch the. I'm like, bro, fam, nah, man, we need to change the topic, bro. Like, I'm scarred, bro. I'm scarred, no cap. Like, this is continue the video, bro. Like, that section of the video just scarred me.
Sex, as you have a lot of it. What else do you like to do?
I like giving people advice. I like helping people.
Yeah.
You get me? I love doing music. That's my main thing. Snipe out now on all digital platforms.
Snipe out now on
you
all
get me?
digital platforms.
But like, I love
Aye, Our World Freestyle out now on all digital. It's out of my music channel. That song that you see at the intro, yeah, it's on my music channel.
helping people, bruv. Like, you get me? I love helping people. Like, I do like relationship advice. I get people DMing me like,
Wait.
Yeah.
You give relationship advice.
Exactly.
See, what kind of person
How?
takes relationship advice off this man?
Bro, I literally said that, 5 minutes ago? Fam, who? You need to screenshot who's asking you for relationship advice and send them my way, bro.
Real talk.
No.
No, real talk. I'm not lying. Like, literally, like a few years ago, some girl DM'd me. Like, she said that her man was a cross-dresser, and she started sending me pictures of him, and he was wearing dresses, and he was wearing her shoes and that. You get me? And
what did you say?
I just told her, like, yo, man's just living his life, expressing himself, innit? If you're not down with it, you can't do shit. So then me and her linked up like a week later, and we was...
What?
No, this is what I'm saying. That's not advice. That's just like...
No, but I helped her, bruv. Her man wasn't giving her no dick. That's mad.
That's
Alright,
my...
He's depriving her.
space for you.
No, but he's depriving her, bruv. Like, she's going insane, bruv. Her man's wearing her heels and that. That's mad.
Alright. You don't want love.
Bro, like, what? You see why I need to send them my way? So the girl, hey, sweet ones. If any sweet ones watching and your man's giving you any problem, man, Aye, man. Alright, let me not say that because, like, I have a girlfriend. Don't DM me. Don't do that. I'm kidding. But, yo, the man said the girl DM him looking for help because her boyfriend is a cross-dresser. So he said, yeah, babes, just come over and I'll give you the advice that you need. I'll give you the A-D advice that you need. Nah, man. Stop asking for advice from Castillo, bro. Male or female, fam.
Snipe out now on all digital platforms, bruv.
What you
What do you
ask?
want?
That's mad.
Right. Do you not want love?
Snipe out now on all digital platforms, bruv.
What do you want out of life?
I want peas, bruv.
Yeah?
I want money. That's all I want.
You want just money?
Yeah, the love thing. Money's what
So
I
you
want.
don't want love?
Man said fuck the love thing.
Because
Has your heart been broken?
yeah, a few times. A
So
few
is that
times,
why
you
you
know.
don't want love? Do you feel like you've been burned so many times you're just not on it now?
Do you know what it is, yeah?
What?
I'm on a
What is
laying gal down thing right now, bruv. I'm not gonna lie. It's just about laying down the gal them right now, bruv. I just feel like, bruv, this willy's got to be shared, bruv. I just got to lay down the gal.
That dick is not going anywhere near me. Do you not think you've done
Alright, yeah. In the original episode, I said she was capping. No, I can tell she's not capping. She's not capping.
enough?
Nah, bruv. I got to explore the world, bruv. This is London. It's a bigger world, bruv. It's Brazil, bruv, France, Sweden.
Hey, bro, alright. I used to think like that, dog. But then, I used to think, bro, you know how much? Dog, that's a lot of time, money, energy, and effort, and a whole heap of thing to be spent into somewhere like, bro, I'm fucking for like, what, 10 minutes max? So I'm gonna prioritize non-bread, and I'm only fucking for like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, bro. Like, nah, fam. Bro. I record my videos for longer than how bro, it's 36 minutes, bro. Man. I'm not, 10-minute man. That's me, man.
So you ever
Russia, bare things, bruv.
You ever gonna settle down? Like, when are you gonna be like, right, that's it?
I snipe out now on all
You're
digital
so
platforms,
annoying.
bruv.
Do you know how annoying you are?
You know how annoying you are?
What advice do you give guys to get laid?
It's three things, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Number one,
Confidence.
look presentable. Yeah, you get me? Go get yourself a decent haircut. If you're a fat bastard, go gym. Some man can't pull it off, you get me?
Yeah.
That's number one. Get your appearance down, you get me? You don't want to be scaring off the gal them. Yeah? Number two, be confident about your shit. It don't matter if you're broke, it don't matter if like you're a top waist man, you can make
Yeah.
it work. A lot of men that
Yeah.
are super waist man, they get gal. You just need a bit of
Yeah.
confidence, yeah?
Yeah.
And number three,
Fam, how do you think I got my girlfriend, bro? Man, confidence, bro. Confidence. Because who's really going to look at me with my scarf and my shades and my hat and be like, yeah, man, I want a piece of that. Like, nah, man. You have to give them the confidence, man. So they just look over that, man.
don't overthink the thing. Yeah, a lot of men think that chatting to a gal is a big thing, like approaching a gal is a big thing. You just got to look at it like this. Don't go in there with no motives. Even trying to go in there to get pussy is a mad thing. Just go in there on some get to know the person thing and everything will fall into place. It's when
Yeah,
you try
man.
and force it and try and have an objective, try and have a motive, try and have some sort of end goal, you're going to show your card straight away. Gal is going to see through that, see you're trying to get pussy, see you ain't got no confidence and it's gone.
Yeah.
Just strike up a regular conversation.
Yeah,
if
man.
you get rejected, bruv, there's bare gal out here.
Bare
It's not that
gal,
deep.
1.4
Are you a fan of
million.
Nah, bruv.
Listen, bare gal out here, bro. So all my trigs, all my trigonometry niggas in the comments, man. Bro, don't let any girl where air your comment or air your DM. Try and make you feel like, you know, you're less of the guy. You're always the guy, bro. Once you subscribe to me, you're the guy, bro, because I'm dropping gems on the daily, bro. You're going to know how to maneuver in this life when you watch me. You understand? So, bro, don't let the girl them... If you go up to a girl and she's like, nah, man, you're butters, man. Don't leave her let that bother you, bro, because she's probably butters herself, man. A lot of these girls, like, are not good people. That's what... Hey, a lot of these sweet ones just aren't good people in general, bro. So you shouldn't even want to fuck them. But, you know, I'll give you guys some time to mature, you know?
I don't give a fuck about family. My whole life has just been me and my mum. I don't care about family. Both my parents had a one-night stand, bruv, in a crack house. They made me. They both got schizophrenia. My gran adopted me. That's just me and my mum. That's all it is. That's all I give a fuck about. Mum was like 83 years old, yeah? And when she passes, that's it, bruv. I'm going to be on a super mad thing, but yeah.
No, don't do that.
But yeah,
Does your
when it
mum-
comes to the
does your
family,
mum not want to see like grandkids and stuff?
I don't know, man, but like...
Have you ever had that conversation, genuinely? Like, does she know how active you are? Like,
Yeah. My mum used to meet bear gal. My mum used to meet bear gal back in the day.
Yeah, but has she ever just been like, you know what,
Yeah,
like, settle
bear
down,
gal.
meet
Mama
a
used to
nice
say bear
woman,
gal.
and,
No,
like,
she told me
just-
not to get none of these things pregnant, bruv. Like, she was like, don't get none of these things pregnant. You're moving mad. I met my dad at 23. Yeah, he never knew about me, and I never knew about him, because it was a one-night stand thing, innit? Like, literally, they just met, there was an Ealing, they had a one-night stand. That must have been the best pussy he had in his life, bruv, because, like, literally, they made me in it. So, like, after that, it's disappeared, bruv. It's not his fault, though, you get me? Did his thing when they were selling drugs, in and out of prison and all that stuff. And then he come out of prison, he was in prison for like 7 years. Then he come out, and then my grandson on a bus, he said, like, you know you got a son? And he was like, what? Then he grabbed my granny, threw her against the wall, and he off the bus, and he ran down the stairs. Wow. But then they made the connection or whatever, and then I met him. But yeah, he's alright, man, he's alright.
Man said, you know you got a son. Man just throw her against the wall. What? I'll be like, nigga, when? She said, oh, you don't remember that one night standing? Oh, okay, now I see why. Because now they be like, alright, now you make me have to take care of a next piece of pussy or that I don't want to take care of. But hey, he was a big man already, so he didn't need to throw in the wall. Anyway, fam, I talk about the most random stuff when I pause these videos, man. Why do you guys subscribe to me? Leave a comment. Tell me why you subscribe to my channel, fam. Like, why? I'm a weird guy, bro. I'm a weird guy.
If I slept with 100 men,
never.
how do you feel about that?
I feel like you need to get some professional help.
Yes.
Come with the same energy that you come with yourself then, innit? Like,
No, babe.
I'm fine with people's body count. I genuinely don't have an issue with your body count. Why do I have to be Virgin Mary?
It's like OnlyFans. Girl that do OnlyFans, I'm all for that shit. I love that shit. I think you should do that. But for the wifey, man can't do that, bruv. Because like, look at this. Like, look at the OnlyFans.
Then why should I make you my husband? That's what I'm saying.
No, you ain't got me though. That's what I'm saying.
So what's acceptable for you?
I don't think about girls' body counts. I'll never ask. I'd rather not know.
Yeah, I'd rather not know. You know what I'm saying? Like, obviously, they're going to let us know certain things that happen, but I don't want to know a specific number or a specific time. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to know that, bro.
I'm never going to ask you. I don't want to know that shit. How can you be my wife, my queen, my soulmate? These times, man can see your pussy for $4.99 a month, bruv.
Yeah,
Netflix is £10, bruv.
Yeah, but then
Netflix is £10. That means my girl's pussy is worth less than Netflix, bruv. That's mad.
Do you reckon you ever will just settle with just one woman and not cheat, be with her?
You see, when you stuck it on her like that, they never put her answer in because they know, man. Once you put it like that, there's no comeback, man. So you have to switch the topic. No OnlyFans around here for the wifey, man. Only for, no, regular girl them, but not the wifey, man.
Snipe out now on all digital platforms.
No, I hate
and
not cheat, be with her.
Ooh.
Snipe out now on all digital platforms.
No, I hate you. You're so hard to have a conversation with, so I'm going to take that as a no.
Snipe out now on all digital platforms, Bev.
I feel like this is a front, and this is why you got your glasses on, and I think that it's like an insecurity thing in the nicest way. You have good intentions, but you just choose not to, and it's a shame. And that's why I'm not falling for that bad boy storyline that I could make you change. You're just toxic piece of shit. Yeah,
and that's the thing with the girl them again, bro. The girl them always feel like they can change the man them. Why? Why do you think that you're so special that you can change people? Do you not realize that this guy has 20, maybe 30 odd years of trauma and PTSD and just bad, behaviors that he needs to correct? And you think you have the ability to change him? Bro, females, man. Females. That don't make sense.
Big man thing. Cheers to the toxicity and that.
Must say cheers to the toxicity. Hey.
Starting out with any new project management software.
Hey, listen, man. I told you about the ad blocker already, bro. I'm getting the ad blocker today. No ads on my shit, man. Don't get me wrong, I want support, Standout TV, but like, when I'm watching videos, man, fuck off.
Yeah? No, really?
That's a fuck no, bruv. That shit makes my dick soft, bruv. Never.
Really?
Once again, like,
would you fart at me?
No.
Oh, okay.
Busting a shit on a mad list like that, no, bruv. Like,
really?
Get some VI poo, bruv. Spray that shit in the toilet after you're done, bruv. You get me? Like, don't be out here just shitting up the place. Like,
but it's normal.
It is normal, bruv. But that whole fighting and burping shit, that's the first way to put me the off.
Really?
Like, I will cheat on you so quick, bruv. Like, literally so quick. I just feel like that's mad disrespectful. Like, fighting and burping in front of me. Like, what the fuck is this?
And cheating's not.
Yeah, but still, like, fighting and burping like this. Like, I'm like your child, bruv.
But cheating is not. Yeah, man, but farting and burping, man, it's like you're a child, man. Bro, I tell you, perception is a hell of a thing. He would rather cheat on you than fart or burp in front of you. Perception, dog. Like, that don't even make sense. Bro, fam, my girl can burp or fart in front of me whenever, dog. Like, I don't, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm not always in that mindset where, oh my God, if she farted in front of me, I was horny before, now I'm not horny now. Like, I'm not always thinking about, to be cheating. But I guess maybe he is, so.
Really? That is pathetic, mate.
Bruv, a girl cannot fart around me for a stinky Betty, bruv. It's not happening. It's
I want a best friend though. Do you know what I'm saying? I want my man's my best friend.
Do you know what it is? Yeah, I'll be honest with you. Like,
Stinky
once you fart
Betty,
in front
bruv.
of me, you can never try and be sexy. The moment you put on like lingerie and that, I'm just looking at you like, right, look at this stink Betty girl, bruv.
Stink Betty
It's a
girl.
smelly bum, bruv.
Smelly bum. Alright, listen, bro. That comes from when we're young. They always make us feel like, you know, the girls. They're like, girls don't do anything wrong. You understand? Like, girls are like these wonderful creatures, and they're just so perfect, and they're this and like. So when a girl burp or she fart or she do something that's more like, you see men do it, you're kind of like, she remind me of a man. But that's from what they're teaching us from long time. It's wrong, bro. Like, you're human, bro. Girls are gonna fart, they're gonna burp, they're gonna shit, they're gonna vomit. They're gonna get like stink arm, their mouth is gonna smell. You know what I'm saying? And once you realize that, you kind of really just stop caring about the sweet ones like that. Cause you're like, fam, like, all of these girls is some stink body gal, fam. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's just how I see it still. Cause all of them fart and burp, bro. All of them have stink body.
No, yeah, sorry.
It depends, innit? If you got some shit kids, bruv, it's like, no, bruv. You get me? I've had times where
That's a shit
when at a
kids.
girl's house. One time I was at a girl's house, I held the girl's hand, and her son literally, bruv, he threw a plastic chair at me, bruv. I was like, yo, dickhead. But like,
Dickhead.
bruv, he threw a plastic chair.
Hey, that's another thing, bro. I don't care how old or young a kid is, fam. I'm calling you a dickhead if you're a dickhead.
I was like, yo, dickhead.
Dickhead.
But like,
Kids.
I don't give a bruv, for a plastic chair at me. But if the kids
Yeah,
are nice,
man.
then I say, yeah, all the way.
Yeah.
I don't mind. When you get to a certain age, like, you're gonna have to expect a girl has kids, bruv. You get me?
Yeah.
So it's not a problem. Unless your kids are dickheads.
All kids dickheads.
Yeah, you can, bruv.
Yeah,
There's a
you
lot of
can,
dickhead
man.
youths out there, bruv. Bear them.
Yeah, there is a lot of dickhead youths out there still.
Yeah.
Yes or no? Some girl, like, you need to give them that cut off for life. Otherwise, they're always gonna think it's a thing. And then if I get
Yeah.
with a new woman, I never want you ever thinking that you're some competition to her. Like, you're dead, bruv.
I like that.
You can never be anybody to her. You're nobody to her. You can't just be lingering in the back. You need to know that this is the upgrade, bruv. You're the
Yeah.
Nokia 5110, bruv. This is the iPhone 15. Ain't
Man said
there's
Nokia
comparison.
5110.
Yeah,
You
but
get me?
Nokia's was a good phone though.
Bro, I don't even know that phone, fam. Nokia 5110. What that? The cement one? The steel brick?
Yeah, but that's some old shit, bruv. We ain't fucking with that no more.
I don't
Steel
mind because I
brick.
think for me, I've never really had a toxic end to relationships. If it makes
But then
sense.
what about your new guy? Like, you just...
No, but there's a boundary. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm never gonna have my man look stupid. I'm not embarrassing my man. He's not gonna.
But even as chatting to your ex-man is a bit of a violation.
Yeah,
like, just
it is,
knowing the
man.
fact that you're chatting to the next man that had his will in your mouth, it's mad.
Yeah, man, that's
You get
mad,
me?
fam.
And
So
then
would
what
you not
happens?
be happy with that?
Hell no. If it's a serious thing,
Hell
nah.
no. Me and you can't serious, and you're there chatting to the man that was literally clotting your back out 8 months ago. 9 months, like however many months ago it was. Or even if it's a year or two. Bro, no. Especially not no long conversations, not no on the phone thing, not no texting consistent thing, not no none of that, man. If you're talking, it has to be when it's your birthday, they say happy birthday. When it's Christmas, they say Merry Christmas. When something positive happen, they wish you, you know what I'm saying, well wishes. But like, not on no, oh, hey friend, what's up? How you doing? Hey, what's up what, nigga? What's up where? Not over here, nigga. I need to finish this video though. This video is going to be an hour long.
Man, you can't be chatting to them, man.
Sucking toes. She loves the
Yeah,
sucking
all the
toes,
time, bro.
man.
That's standard. Yeah, sucking toes is bliss.
Women's film, man, not so much.
No, but I've had girls suck my toes before.
Yeah, if you've got
It's
nice feet. If you've
Yeah,
got
it's
nice
nice.
feet.
It's like it hits you in different places. Like, you feel
Yeah.
tingles. It's like girl licking your nipples and that. It's like, yo, it's a bit zesty.
Yeah,
but
the
it hits
nipple
spot,
one.
you
Hey,
get me?
hey, the nipple one.
And if a girl's got pretty toes as well, it's amazing. Like, when you're sucking a girl's toes, it's just, woo. Get me? I go mad. Like, I put my tongue between the nail, baby toe, all of that shit.
Yeah.
I
Oh,
love that shit.
Castillo is nasty, man. Nasty, man.
Is there anything you're embarrassed to admit?
No, not really.
Nah, man.
You know what it is? I've gone through some up shit in it. So then, you know, when you go through some mad shit, like, you gotta be super like open. Like, I've had times when I've been super broke. A thing came to my yard. You go to the shower. You gotta wear shoes to the shower, bruv, because the floor's soaked as. I was living in a mad place. There's maggots on the floor. Like, things at your yard. To see the maggots on the floor, you can't say shit, bruv. It's just,
I feel like you're really desensitized to like things like.
I don't know. I gotta live life, innit? Like, just because it's
Yeah,
a bit
man.
shit, I'm not gonna get like it's depressing enough, innit? I gotta find
It's
little ways to make
depressing
myself
enough,
smile.
literally.
Bruv, She thinks she is, bruv. Trisha Goddard in that, bruv. She thinks she's a therapist.
Long thing, man. Aye. No therapy, man.
What if my ex was after you?
If it's over gal, he needs to fuck off. But if he's got a personal problem with me, I'd have to mash him up. But if it's over you, I ain't beefing over you, bruv.
Why? What if we were together?
I ain't
Nah,
beefing
man.
over gal.
What
That's
if we were in
dead.
love?
Can't beef over gal.
So
If it-
earlier when I asked you that, when you gave me your scenario,
yeah.
so now there's no beef over girl.
No, you shouldn't beef
Have
over
ya?
gal. I'd have a problem with him coming to me, not with you, because I'm not beefing over gal. But on a man level, if he's trying to cross that line, I have to mash him up. That's mad.
Okay, so
That's
what if
mad.
we were out then,
Yeah.
and I'm your woman, and someone touches me in a club, what are you doing about it?
I'd have to mash him up because now you're disrespecting me. It's not even
Yeah.
about you. You think
Yeah,
I'm
I was saying that earlier, fam, because you saw me. And the fact that you still touch my woman while you see me with my woman, dog, I have to fight you now, I have to fight you.
pussy, yo. That's why you're doing that.
OnlyFans is off the cards then.
No, I'll link a girl with OnlyFans. It's not gonna be no
Wifey,
super
though.
relationship thing,
Yeah,
bro.
no,
Because
no.
like I said, with OnlyFans, the levels escalate.
Yeah.
1 minute it's the showing a nipple, you get me. Next thing you know, you're trying to charge man a subscription of £20 for you to suck willy on there, bruv.
Yeah,
2
man.
years later, now you're trying to show man your whole uterus, bruv. Giving birth on there. Mad. Now that
Mad.
as soon as my ute enters the earth, as soon as he comes into the world, he's already a waste man, bruv. Because his mum's
Already
living
a
mad.
waste, man.
Can't have that.
What if I genuinely want to
You know
invite?
what I'm saying? Like, people don't think about that. Like, even that porn girl that did stop the porn and like get with Logan Paul friend, and she get pregnant one day, and she was like, man, and people on the internet are so mean, and somebody even asked me, how easy do you think the baby will come out? And then I saw me from somebody going down a water slide. Soup! Like, what do you mean? Like, what? We're supposed to ignore the fact that you was out here on the internet, like, sucking a million dicks and, like, fucking a million times on camera so people can beat their meat to it? Like, bro, it's not, like, you weren't a preacher or nothing. Like, you weren't nothing to be proud of. Like, like, don't get me wrong, I still do my thing, but, like, nah, fam, you can't do a job like that and then try go on, like, you uphold some type of morals or principles in society. Like, no, you're a porn star. Like, know your place. Like, anyway.
Involve other people in our sex life.
If it's another gal, cool. If you try to bring man them in there, it's a whole
No
nother
man
thing,
them,
like.
no man
Now
them.
you're just violating me on next level.
No
now I've got
man
to watch
them.
the next man f the shit out of you while I'm there.
Yeah.
In the back, just watching like a victim, bruv.
What is the
Victim.
problem with having a man?
So man's gonna be
So, alright, bro. Man. Even in the last video, dog, like, it upset me when she asked this, because why do you want another man in there so much? Like, why you just go get with somebody that want 2 man? Stop trying to convince me to get 2 man in the room. Hey, listen, Cheyenne. Better cut this out,
drilling you out, and I'm like looking at man's ball bags clapping off your bum cheeks. That's mad.
You can take
That's
some
gonna give me
tips.
PTSD. Now I'm insane. So seeing the
Exactly.
next man's ball bags clapping against your bottom lip, bruv. Now I'm just watching. Mad thing. If
Mad
it's another
thing.
gal, it's cool. But
Yeah.
the gal has to be on your level. You get me? You can't be bringing no super fat bitch built like a snowman to me, bruv. It's
Yeah,
dead.
man.
I like big things.
Yeah,
If you're
I
built
like
like a
big
snowman, there's thick. I like big and curvy. Super big and curvy. You could be 16, 17, 18 stone and curvy. But if you're built like a raspberry, it's
Man's
not
like
happening,
a
bruv.
raspberry.
Can't just be out here built like a minion, bruv. What is this?
Why?
Because
I think all
that's gonna
women
make
need love.
no, because that's gonna make my dick soft, bruv. If your belly is bigger than your bum, come on now. That's some Biggest Loser shit now, bruv. How's your
Biggest
belly
Loser
sticking out
shit.
further than your bum? That's
Remember that
mad.
your bum.
You're built like Tyson Fury, bruv. That's mad.
What if I earned more money than you?
I don't mind
care.
that. That's all good
Yeah.
with me. Most girl I've ever dated earn way more than me.
Yeah,
Way
exactly.
more. I like that shit. That means that you're about something. You get me? You can elevate me on some next shit and inspire me and motivate me to get on your level. I love that shit.
Nice.
Yeah, man. The money thing ain't a problem, man.
How do you think you've done on the date?
Shit.
I don't really give a shit. I'm not gonna lie, bruv. Because
Okay.
I know that I did good. You get me? I know that I'm a spice. So,
Spice.
regardless how it goes, I don't give 2 f***s, bruv. I'm gonna leave her, get some pussy anyway. So I had a great time. You get me? How about you? You have a good time?
Yeah, I've had the right time.
Done now. I like
Yeah.
that. Denkashen. You get me?
Dankashan.
I think it was a great date. You get
Gang.
me? Like I left the house. I was in a good
Hey.
mood. Came out here. It was a nice day. Had some wine, some good conversation. It was nice.
He was on.
Yeah, I'm still kind of vexed how the way she was asking about the 2 man them, and like, why can't we have two men? Like, once you even start asking me that, dog, like that, I just get turned off from you instantly, bro. Like, and once you start like trying to convince me like you're trying to defend it. It's like, yeah. Me and you not gonna work. So from you even trying to convince me to bring another man into my bedroom, yeah, me and you don't need to go anywhere further, girl. We need to stop this date right now, and I need to leave. Hell no, man. That shit can't run, fam. It can't run. Can't run, fam.
Honest, so I can't knock him. He was an honest guy, but that was awful. Like, he talked about sex so much.
She was cute. I like her vibe.
So it's definitely not second date.
If she put on about 2-3 stone, I would definitely date her again.
I think he handled the grilling well. Although, like, I felt I couldn't really grill him. I just was trying to, like, I wanted him to confide in me, you know?
Nah,
I think I did well,
that,
you know.
man.
I feel like throughout that whole thing, I got to know her a bit well, you get me? So it was nice. I thought I did good.
So the moment he walked in, I thought, you know what, let me just ride it out.
It surprised me that she
Ride
was a
it
bit
out,
nervous
yeah?
still. She looked a bit rattled, not gonna lie.
Fam, because his answers, like your answers are not what anybody expect, bro. His answers, bro, you can't predict the things that Castillo says, dog, at all.
What impressed me the most was his honesty, because I
Yeah.
genuinely like an honest man, but however, it didn't actually impress me what was coming out of his mouth.
Big man thing, I think she's definitely gonna rate me a 10, bruv. You get me? I'm the main event, how could she not?
How could she not?
10!
Aye.
I think some of that crack rubbed off on him.
Aye,
That girl definitely likes bad boys, bruv. I'm telling you, man.
telling you, man,
Bad
them.
man.
Bad man.
Hit her up, bruv. I'm telling you, she's on that.
This is
That means that I can hit her up, bro, because she definitely don't want me. I ain't no bad man, bro. She don't want me,
a
fam.
very
Alright, so I guess I ain't getting on the show, bros. Alright, guys. Our dream of getting on the show is not gonna happen anymore.
generous, like, score that I'm going to give him. I felt like he was opening up and honest, and I always want an honest man, but he has way too much trauma going on, and I'm not trying to mother him. Like, I just want a partner. So I'm going to give him a 3.
That's how I ended with the 3, man. Crazy. Hey, baby, listen, man, bro, dog. Man, bro, dog. That could be a superhero. It's man, bro, dog. Dun, 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 dun. Yo, I have problems. I talk about Castillo have problems. I have problems that I need to fix. And I'm still upset that Cheyenne was trying to defend the 2 man in the bedroom. Like, Cheyenne, bro, maybe it's because I'm Jamaican and certain things affect me differently from other people, but like, a question like that, we could never ask me a question like that. I would still talk like no. Anyway, man. But this was a funny episode still. I see why like people from other countries or cultures or whatever like would see this and like be like, oh, can he say that? Like, you know what I'm saying? But like for me, because I know Castillo from before and I know like most of the man that come on this series, bro, is mostly for the jokes. Like, so I don't take it serious. So, you know, but this was a very funny episode. Was it funnier than the Liquor Man? Oh, we might have a little competition here. I'm not sure. Let me know what you think, still. I'm going to upload the Liquor Man reaction before this. So let me know if the Liquor Man is funnier than this one in the comments. Do I think it's funnier? This one definitely had its moments, but the Liquor Man one definitely had its moments. When the man went like this, blood, the man went... I'm like, Liquor Man, him can't give me no spot, you know? If I see Liquor Man, he cannot spot me, bro. Like, I've seen how Liquor Man spot people. The man, I'm like, bro, like, fam, we know you're a liquor person, but you still have a strong hand, bro. Stop trying to spot people like this, man. But anyway, man, I'm talking about everything at the same time, and his videos are hour long. So, hit that like button, hit that dislike button. Jump in the comments, reply to all the comments, and KOGENCY on the KOGENCY Reacts channel. And about this motherfucker, man. Peace. Yeah, come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the 400 quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pussy to me, yeah, girl.